Hey Bazaar marketers, welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow, an outline, and a glow to an image or anything that you upload or you find in the stock images. So in our favorite tool, of course, which is Canva, let's jump over the screen and show you how this all works. So I've already created just a square image. It's the Instagram square for social media. And then just going to grab this image, which is kind of fun. And first off, I'm going to show you the glow. So select the image, you go over to edit photo, and then we're going to scroll down here and find the shadows. Once you'll find that, you'll see glow, drop shadow, and outline. So the first one we'll do is the glow. And you can see it added a nice little glow around there. You can change the size of that, make it bigger or smaller as far as the glow goes. You can change the blur amount. And I know it looks like it's making the picture smaller, but it's just resizing it to the box that we have there, and then you can make it any size you want. Once you're done, you can change the angle, the distance, and the color. So let's try to find the pinkish color there, match the pineapple. That's kind of close. And then you can change the intensity, which makes it real darker, which that's kind of cool. That kind of matches a lot. So that's the glow. So let me make that a little smaller and move that around here. And now we are going to get rid of that background and do an outline around here. So again, you're going to select the photo. You're going to go up to edit photo. And now you see this background remover. If you click on that, it's pretty instantaneously removes the background. Now we're going to go down to the shadows again. And this time we're going to do the drop shadow. And you can see that it added it on the right side, but I want to put it on this side. And what you have to do is, the size right now says 0. You got to bump that up a little bit to start. And then what we're going to do is change the angle to move that shadow around. And sometimes it just depends. And it might disappear on you like that. I think this is a glitch that they are working on, but you just have to increase the size over here to make it come back. And again, you're just going to mess around with that angle. So I like that angle, but the distance is too far. So now we're going to pull that image in. And I like that distance right there. The color's kind of intense. It's not really a shadow, so we want to back off on that a little bit and just make it like a shadow with some lighting on there. And that's still, the distance might still be too big. And just tighten that up a little bit. And you can blur it out even. So that gives it a nice little shadow that looks natural. So there's the shadow option. So now what we'll do is I'll shrink that down, and we'll bring this in one more time and do an outline. So you probably see the outlines that people put on their YouTube channels, and they'll outline their head and their face and that. So let's actually not use that, and let's use this so we can outline her head. So again, we're gonna have to get rid of the background remover, nice crisp clean, remove the background. Now we're going to go back to shadows, and we're going to do an outline, and you can see it made a black outline on there. So let's say we're putting in this on a thumbnail for a YouTube channel or something, and the background we use is darker, and then we just want to do a white outline around there. So go back to edit photo, I'm going to select this. Now we can change it to white. And you can just see how that outline works, and that just gives you a great image. People are using those, they're very popular, and you can again make it more intense, make it bigger. People make them crazy big sometimes, and you can change the colors. We want to do red, or we want to do that pink to match her thing. So great, quick, easy ways to make drop shadows, and outlines around, and a glow around images or anything that you upload or you find in the the bag of tricks here. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to try out Canva, there is a link down below that you can check it out and get a free trial. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.